center of the rivers, their type, and their number specified in the manual calculations. We will draw the rivers as you can see. Then we specify the hook at the end of the rivers, and after that we draw the transverse rivers. After drawing the desired rivers, we can now start our sheeting, and in each desired sheet we can place a different view of the assemblies. My friend, well, now the first chapter related to the simple concrete beam of manual calculation by hand as well as ETABS and detailed drawing with Revit is over. I hope it will be a good tutorial for you. Bye and follow me, subscribe for learn more. Chapter 2 is now start.